And they get the ball rolling in the Champions League final. We're about to find out who will be crowned Club Kings of Europe. Verratti. Wijnaldum. Strong but fair tackle. And given his magnificent...
Oh, big chance here, Derek.
He's done it! What a moment! The opening goal in this Champions League final. And just look at the celebrations. So back underway in this game, Manchester United with the advantage. He's in with a chance. And a goal! I'll tell you what, they're going to be very hard to catch now. Name on the trophy, maybe.
Well, here's the replay, and you see it was a good finish. But the keeper at his near post has to do a lot better. He's got to have that near post covered for me.
Well, a second goal for them here. Yeah. Nicely timed tackle. Sliding in, winning. He's in here. Oh, and it goes! Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
On they go again, and United beginning to run away with this. Moving forward effectively, but nothing comes of it. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Well, that break looked so promising, but might be a chance here. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now. And we're underway again. This game very much over as a contest. Oh, big chance. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of that performance. Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Ronaldo on the move. He's in behind. Well, the keeper was called upon and delivered.
Well, he's so good in those 1v1 moments, and he's proved it yet again.
Ronaldo. A real opening now. And still a chance. But into the keeper's gloves. Tremendous challenge. And attempting the through ball. Just needs to stay calm. Surely. Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals. No let up here.
Well, it's a decent goal, but the defenders certainly played their part. Where were they? They were absolutely all over the place.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score.
Con el 7, Cristiano Ronaldo.
And he keeps going. Well, they took care of the situation defensively. So 2 minutes to be added on. Real chance. 45 minutes separating these two sides from glory. The second half of the Champions League final begins. And they need to get tighter. And Messi with the goal. It's always strange when he doesn't get on target.
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
Gol del Paris Saint-Germain. Con el 30, Leo Messi.
The keeper did.
Well, that's just exceptional. He reacted so quickly there.
Fired in by Neymar. Just the clearance that was called for. Messi. Is it going to be? Lionel Messi has scored. One of the greatest players there's ever been.
Well, here it is again, and the clearance just isn't good enough. Giving up possession in a dangerous area, just poor defending all round.
Gol del PSG. Con el 30, Leo Messi.
Having won the ball back, they might be able to profit. And here he is, Lionel Messi. Well, the keeper was called upon and delivered.
Well, he's so good in those 1v1 moments, and he's proved it yet again.
And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Messi. Messi. Opportunity. And a goal it is from who else? Lionel Messi.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, while the movement in the box is equal to it. It's such good timing. What a goal.
Gol del Paris Saint-Germain. Con el 30, Leo Messi.
Manchester United have lost the ball. Showing a lot of guile there.
Con el 7, Ronaldo. Entrará en la cancha con el 21.
The delivery from Neymar. A very effective clearance. Excellent.
Con el 31, Matic.
Well, nicely cut out. Now what can they do with the ball? Defensive efficiency personified. Inside the last quarter of an hour. It's there for him. It's gone in! And well, he might celebrate on the back of that.
Gol del PSG. Con el 30.
Messi. Can he take advantage? Just like that, they've grabbed another one. And who's to say they're not going to come back again?
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Well, if you enjoy high-scoring contests, this has been the game for you. Messi. But quick thinking defensively. Jadon Sancho. Wilting under the pressure. And now they try to go forward. In it goes! It looked as though they were down and out. Not a bit of it. What will happen next?
Well, let's see this again. He tries to run out with the ball. He has the ball taken off of him. He's made the wrong decision. And suddenly the ball's in the back of the net. Terrible defending.
It's yellow.
Yeah, it's clumsy and it's late. Definitely a yellow card.
He'll have a go here. And the free kick caught. And now the whistle they all wanted to hear. Manchester United have painted the Champions League red.
Well, just look at the emotions out there. Joy and relief on one side, despair